Hello, class. Last week on Thursday, we did this one. Let me do number two. So number two is to construct the P graph showing the black type of the any induced. Describe the frequency distribution. So to describe the frequency distribution, just like I told you last week, is about the degree, the angle, all the stuff. So we have a total frequency here is 25, sorry, is 25. So that's a total frequency. So to put the class type in a circle, so we can choose as 25 is equivalent to 360 degree. You know, the circle, any circle got an angle 360. So that's why I just make an equivalent to find the x. So now for each frequency is for A, type A, B, C, or AB. For each frequency, let's call it F. Okay? And remember the F can be 5, can be 6, can be 9, can be 4 only. Okay, that's why I call it F. So now let's pick F be each frequency. So for each frequency, what kind of angle we have to put in, what the corresponding angle for each frequency. Okay, let's call it X. X is the corresponding for each frequency. Good. So here is our X. So how can we calculate this one? Take the, you have a 25 divided by F is equal to 36 divided by X. To find the X is equal to F times 360, cross multiplication, use the cross multiplication, that's the faster one, divided by 25. Yeah, that's all. That's the formula. So we will have this one. And now we can have X is equal to 4 sorry about it. Here is the X is a corresponding angle. Let me write that angle for each frequency. So here X is equal to F, and F you can choose F be 5. Okay, let me raise here. F is 5, so then we can have 360 times 5 divided by 25. So here we can have this is just the degree for the corresponding angle. For the 8, for example, you have this one. Okay, it would be, let me check my calculator, 72 degree. So for the B we have a 7 here. B is equal to 360 times 7 and divide by 25. Okay, and then we can have here, by using your calculator, you will see you will have 100 degree, 100.8 degree. So for B, for O you can have Since O is 9, since the frequency of 0 is 9, right? You can have a 360 times 9 divided by 25. And this will become just 129.0 degree. Okay? It's 129.6 degree. So now we can do the last one, which is AB. AB, the frequency AB is 4. AB is 4, so we can choose 360 times 4 divided by 25. And then we can get 57.6 degree. So now we have the angle. And also you have to also make sure to make all the frequency in percentage. So if you look at our frequency is not in percentage yet. To make it in percentage, they already give you the percentage. Yeah, the percentage already given. So we don't have to calculate the percentage then. So just to recap a little bit, the way you have to calculate those percentage is 5 divided by 25, for example, times 100. You will get 500 divided by 25, and then you can see the 500 divided by 25 is 20. And keep going extra, keep going like that. And 7 divided by 25 times 100. And I believe so you will get this one, 28%. That's the way they get the percentage. But since the percentage is given, we don't have to calculate this percentage. But just make sure if the percentage wasn't given, you have to calculate the percentage. So now to put it in the graph, to put it in the circle, it's called P graph. To draw the P graph, let's draw the P graph now. So we have this one. So to draw the P graph, we have to check which one is the higher one. The higher one is this one. It's 129.6 degree and is the type 0. It's a blood type 0. Okay? It's the blood type O, sorry. And we have here, and we can draw like this. One is a little bit big, and we can draw maybe like this. It's good. So here we have a blood type 0, and is the percentage. Just make sure you draw the percentage. The percentage is 36%. Okay. So when you have the graphic, first check the degree. Draw as a degree, and then the next higher one is 100.8. 100.8 should be blood B. The B is 108, and the B is 28%. So the 28% can be represented as here, as 28%, for example. Okay, is type B. Type B is 28%. 28%. Okay. So the next one, this one is done. This one is done. The next higher one is type 8. Type 8 is 72 degree. Is 72 degree. And the way you represent the 72 degree is type 8 is 20%. So 20% is right here, and it's 72. So we can draw like this, just like that. My drawing is bad, but you just have to understand. Let me change it a little bit. You can draw like this. Okay, here we have a type 8, and it's 20%. And the last one And the last one is 57, and 57 is AB, and the AB here, the degree is 16%. Write down 16%. Type AB, and that's it. And the graph is called P graph. I'm quite sure a lot of you saw it when they took statistics. Okay, this is called a P graph. Okay, if you have any questions, just let me know when I get in class, please. This one and the preview one are very similar. I just want to do this one just to make you understand before I get in class. Okay, so the next one is problem number 4. Problem number 4, we are dealing something called here Tim and Leaf plot. Tim and Leaf plot. Careful here. It's new for you. I have to go over a little bit, and before I do anything, so I may go over when we get back in class. Okay, just bear with me, and if you have any question when I get in class, please let me know. Okay, so first of all, they ask you to construct a stem and leaf graph. What does it mean, stem and leaf graph? It's about the digit. So it's about the leading digit and the trailing digit. So if you have two numbers, like a 25, for example, the first one is called leading digit, and the second one is called trailing digit. I will go over with you, so bear with me. So when they ask you to construct the stem and leaf, first of all, you have to arrange them in order, okay? Arrange them in order. You have to arrange them first in order, okay? And the way you have to arrange them, you have to be very careful, check all the numbers and make sure you don't miss anything. So if you look at here, the lower number is here. The first small one is 02. Write down 02. And the second one you check here is 13. Write down here 13. Make sure they have some space here. And the next one is 14. Write down 14. Okay. And the next one you check here is 20. Write down 20. And the next one you can check here is 23. And the next one is, let me check, is 25. 25 here. And then go here a little bit. If not, you can keep going. The next one is 31. 31. And the next one is 32. Write down 32. And the next one is 32 also. I have another 32. Write down everything. 32. And also I have another one, 32. 32. So far I got a 332. And let me see if I got another one, 32, 32, 32. 1, 2, 3. And 32 here. 32 also. And the next one I got a 30. And 30 is done. And the next one I got 33. 33. And the next one I got 34. 34 is not here. 35 not here. 35, 36 is here. 36. And then I got 36, 37, 43. 43, yes, 43 is done. And 44, I got two of them. 44, 44. I got 2 so far, and 45 is here. And 45, 51 maybe, 51, and 52 and 57. 52 and 57. Okay, that's the way you have to make it in order first. You have to do that. If not, it won't work. Okay? You have to make it in order. Okay? Okay, since if you check those numbers, we only have 2 digits, right? The first digit and the second digit. So you're lucky because sometimes you can have a 3 digit. I will go over with you when we come back tomorrow. So we have this Tuesday. Sorry about it. So we have a 2 digit here. So we have to separate them. The first one and the second one. So if you look at here, let's separate them with the first digit. Okay, let's separate them with the first digit. Let's separate them with the first digit. Okay, so if you look at here, we have only 0, only 1, right? We have 0 and 2. The second one, we have 1. We have only two first digit start with 1. We have 13 and 14. That's all we have. So the next one, we have 2. How many 2 we got? 1, 2, 3. We got three leading. The first number is called the leading digit. You only have 2, 1, 2, 3 first 2 leading digit. We have 20, 23, and 25. You have 3 of them. So the next one is the 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 of them. We have 7 of them. So we can write down as 31, and I got 32, and I got 32, and I got 32. 1, 2, 3, and I got 32 here, and I got 33, and I got 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just make sure it's 7 of them. So the next one is 4. 4, how many we got? 1, 2, 3. We got only 3 of them. So the 4, we got a 1, 43, 44, and we got a 44. We got only 3 of them. So the last one is 5. How many 5 we got? 1, 2, 3. We got a 51, 52, and 57. That's it. That's all we got. So we got this. So now we have to plug here. So remember, the first number is called the leading digit. Okay, leading digit, that's the first number, or they call it stem. That's why the graph is called stem and leaf. The first number is stem and the second number is leaf. Okay? Stem and leaf. And the second number is called trailing digit. Okay? It's called also leaf. Okay? Okay, now check the first number. We have here. If you look at here, we have 0 and 2. Okay, we have 0 and 2. So the first number is 0, and the first number is a leading digit. You can call it stem. The stem here is 0. I write down 0, and the leaf is 2. Write down 2 here. You got it? And if you look at here, the first number is 1. Write down 1 for stem, and the digit is 3. And the next one is 4. Write down 4 here. That's the way it's working. If you look at here, the stem is 2. Write down 2. And the leaf is 0, 3, and 5. You see how easy it is? Did you see how easy it is, right? And if you look at the 3, that's the stem. Write down 3. The next one is 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, and 6. That's it. Okay? Okay, let me just write down everything. I'll just try to make sure you understand. Okay, that's the way things work. So we have the first number, which is, we change the color. The first number is 02. The stem is 0, and the leaf is 2. For this one, the first is 1 and 3 and 3. The second one is 2, 0, 3, and 5. Okay? And the next one is 3. You have 1, you have 2, you have 2, you have 2, you have 2. How many 2? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3 and 6. Okay? And the next one is 4. The stem is 4, and the leaf is 3. You got also another leaf is 4, and another leaf is 4. And the last one is, the stem is 5. For the stem 5, you have 5, and leaf is 1, 2, and 7. And that's it. So now we got this one. Okay? So now let's graph now the stem leaf plot. The stem leaf plot is like this. Okay? You have to draw the straight line, and just make sure you write down those numbers. You have 0 and 2 and 1 and 1 and 3, 3 is 3, 3. 3, 4. Sorry about it. Look at here, I made a mistake here. Here should be 4. See that number should be 4. Okay? Should be 4 because you have 13 and 14. Here's 20. Here's 23. Here's 25. 20, 23, 25. You got it? 31, 32, 32, 32, 32, 33, 36. Here. That's the way things work, okay? I made a mistake here. Let me just raise it and just change it to 4. Okay, it's 4. 4. And the next one is 2. And here is 0, 3, 5, 3, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 6. Okay? The next one is 4. You got 3, 4, 4, 5, 1, 2, 7. And that graph is called stem and leaf. Okay, plot. That's it. This graph is called stem and leaf plot. And that's it. If you have any question, please let me know. Okay, try to do that many times so you can get used to. Okay. So I will. Let's do this one in class. I will check if you understand. Okay. I will just try to give you a hint for this. Thank you guys. See you on Tuesday.